And we are back with a new video. Here we are introducing our bling box, and do not judge me. This box is from March. It says, "Thank you. Welcome to the March bling box. This is our second box. There are so many things to celebrate this month. It's Women's History Month, National Craft Month. You can pause and read the rest. But here I am opening up the box and show you guys all the goodies. I will leave all the information down below to get you guys a Craft-A-Bling box. But in this box, she provided us with a Stroopies cookie. It was from March, and I just opened it, so yeah. Patrice also hand makes all of the candles that she puts inside of your bling box. Here is Sweet Elegance. Do you guys see what's on the inside? Oh my gosh, and it smelled so freaking good. Side note, don't judge me by my nails. I really wanted to get this video out to you guys. So here's our Craft the Bling, the bag with everything in it. I'm going to pull it out and show you guys everything that I received in this box. So you have your sponge thingamajigger, and she provides you with all of the rhinestones that you guys are going to need to make the perfect shirt. So again, this is for March, and it was the month of her. Here are, I really do love these green emerald stones. Oh my gosh. Y'all see it's blinging inside of the freaking plastic. Oh my God, hyacinth is so freaking pretty. If you guys have not blinged, I'm telling you, it is so easy for you guys to follow along with these ladies. This is a picker. It has a wax tip at the end, if I'm not mistaken, and then like a little sharp point, and that's to help you guys pick up and move around your stones once you've placed them onto the template. But this is the design. Um, is going to be a bling design. And she also provided matches for the candles that she did make. So yeah, she thought about everything in this box, you guys. I'm telling you, it's well worth the money. I have again all the information down in the description box if you guys would like to join. This is a subscription program, so one compostable. This is a tea bag, and everything is woman owned. Okay, you guys, woman owned. So she sends you that. She supports all these women businesses, and I really do like that aspect of it. She provides honey sugar cubes for you guys to put inside of your teas. So here's another tea flavor that she provided, herbal turmeric tea. Child, I don't know how to say that first word, so don't judge me. Okay, these vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, caffeine-free, free of everything that you guys would probably normally like to drink, but it is free of that. Okay, so she does provide a like a notebook. You guys can write down all of your thoughts and dreams and prayers and things of that nature. She provides a t-shirt. This is from Bella Canvas. Don't judge the size of my shirt. Okay. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Oh my gosh. I love this pen. It is so freaking shiny. Yeah, she listen, she put thought, okay, into these boxes that she's providing for everybody. And just when I thought it was over, okay, you lift up this paper, honey, and it's more goodies in the bottom of the box. So she just gives you all these little trinkets and keepsakes for you guys to have um, out of your box. And it's the little pouch that it goes in. So cute. Have you guys ever blinged before, for those of you that may be watching for the first time? If not, there are a bunch of ladies that you guys can follow to learn how to bling. And then when I tell you it's so easy, even I can do it. So she does provide the transfer tape that will go along with everything that you'll need to make your design for your t-shirt. And this design can be printed, well, not printed, but it can be pressed on a t-shirt, a canvas bag, wherever, Well, I ain't gonna say wherever, but baby, it can be pressed on a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys one day it being pressed onto the t-shirt that was provided. So here is a template. I mean, she does number the templates, as you guys can see the number 4 at the top. So that lets you know what you need to press first. So this is 3 and 4. So 1 is the bigger one. You flip it over. And then number 2, you put whatever color that you want to put in there. 3, and then number 4. So the stones that she sent us goes into the little holes there. And that's what the yellow little brush thingy is going to be helpful. But that's the design right there, that you guys will be able to see once it's pressed onto the shirt. So it kind of matches up with the color of the stones that she did provide for us that I showed you guys earlier. Baby, that's what it that's the box. Do y'all see all this stroopies? I can't eat that though because it was an old cookie. Oh, Patrice, do not be mad at me, girl. I know this been a long time coming, honey. This been a long time. But you guys can pause it and read the note that she left and puts inside of the box, and that's the information if you guys want to hit her up and see about everything. But yes, this candle smells so good. I think I lit it that day and pretty much burned it out the same day because it just smelled so good. But yeah, again, that is the design that will go on to the shirt. So thank you so very much, and thank you to my camera girl. Bye. Almond brown all night. Wait, y'all. Don't go nowhere. So here is the website by Craftable Things over here on YouTube, craftablingbox.com. And like I said, you guys, it is a subscription-based program where you can pause and start your subscription whatever you want to. So join the Craft-A-Bling experience. It is very, very simple. How it works: Craft-A-Bling is a monthly subscription bling box curated by Patrice of Craftable Things. Every month, a new box will be thoughtfully created for your bling pleasure. Each box will contain a special experience that you won't forget. So you get to choose your experience, receive the experience the magic, discover a new monthly experience. So every month there will be a different design. You guys have a certain time that you need to purchase your bling box, and then it will be delivered to you. So you will see what's in the bling box, I think, before you get it or when you get it. Maybe a surprise. I can't remember. But you guys, here is Patrice of Craftable Things. Hey, y'all. Patrice is the founder of Craft-A-Bling. She shares her passion for the art of blinging on her YouTube channel and enjoys designing rhinestone templates for others to make. Patrice associates blinging with mindfulness and relieving stress. Through research and personal experiences, she is curating a one-of-a-kind monthly bling experience that will keep you coming back for more. So y'all will be one of a kind when y'all get these shirts. Only if you subscribe will you have that design. So you will not see your design anywhere else other than the place, other than the people rather that purchased the box. So you guys can go on and figure that out. I'm not gonna click on everything because I want y'all to come over here and get the experience. Okay. So join the Craft-A-Bling experience right now. And remember, you can subscribe and also stop. So there's a different there are different tiers that you guys can join, and everything that you saw in my box you will get, and then so on and so forth. But go and subscribe to Craftable Things over here on YouTube. All right, that's it. I love you guys with the love of God, and there is what, honey? Nothing you can do about it. Thank you so much for my box, Patrice. Talk to you guys later. Bye.